This is my unboxing for the Oh My Glitter, Oh My God mystery box. I received this today. Had my first one in May, which was the April one, but I had that for my birthday. Oh, it's a galaxy one. And this is everything. I'll look at it in a bit. Oh my God, look at this. If we focus, there we go. That's a lip gloss. Got a voucher for Alibi clothing. This box like just literally looks absolutely packed. Got a lipstick. That's awesome. Look at this. With the glitter. You've got a pigment. Nice pearlescent pink, which I don't think you can quite see. Got a matte liquid lipstick. Chunky glitter. And then look how this is packaged. What a beast. Robin's really not playing about, is she, with this one? That looks amazing already. Are you ready? Wow. You got Andromeda Galaxy, Venus, Max J046, Vela, Neptune, Jupiter, Sunset Glow, Wormhole, M100, Whirlpool Galaxy, Triangulum Galaxy and Silver Moon. These are all shimmers. They look absolutely amazing. If it's anything like the other palette I had of these, like they're so pigmented. And they go on really nicely as well. Let's have a look at the lip gloss. It's got a really nice fruity kind of smell. Excuse my arm, the cat attacked me earlier. It's really nice. Then the lipstick. So apparently I'm not good at doing swatches with my left hand, which is a bit annoying. This is really creamy as well. Can't really smell anything on that. So those are the 3 lip products. You've got the Out of This World lip gloss infused with special pigments, Galaxy matte liquid lipstick worth £15, and the lipstick which is £15, sorry, which is called Saturn. So those are the 3 lip products. And then the glitters. Which I'm not going to swatch at the moment because I'm a little bit precious about my glitter, if anybody knows me. This is a pressed glitter. Ooh. Look at that. I've honestly never seen pressed glitters in pots before. And then the pigment. You see it's like a duochrome white colour with a pinky purple shift. You've got the plastic cover on the palettes. So the first row, if I go down this way, which wasn't how I read them out, I read them out as though I was going across like that. This one, sorry, Andromeda Galaxy, that's a matte, I apologise. Which is a really nice, just matte pink. And we've got Neptune. That looks completely different to in the pan, that's like a real duochrome colour. Can you see it looks blue? It's got a purple. And M100. Oh my god, look at that. Then Venus. Just look at the colour on that, that is amazing. Jupiter. That's, oh my god, that's beautiful. And then Whirlpool Galaxy. Which again, that is so nice. Then we've got Max Jo46, which I think is at Pluto. Might help if I actually got my arm on the shop, wouldn't it? Sunset Glow next. It's like a coral, sort of pink, orange, gold shift. Which again you can't see because I'm in the wrong place. Really not very good at swatching, am I? Triangulum Galaxy, should we start here? Ooh, look at that blue. You know when you think like, oh, I just love some of the colours. I don't think there's one colour in this palette I don't like. Then we've got Vela. Which is, oh god, all of these colours are just gorgeous. Like I can't say anything other than gorgeous or amazing or beautiful. This is Wormhole, which is like purple with little gold flecks of glitter in, but kind of got a little bit of charcoaly black as well. And then the last one is Silver Moon, which is very, very silvery, but it's not bright silver. It's like a pewtery kind of colour, which is gorgeous. Truly is. So that's the Nebula palette. And shall I just put a little bit of the glitter on my arm as well? Just because, like, you know, yeah, I am tight with my glitter, but I feel like I'm not fully showing you everything that you could see otherwise. That was just some Helene fixing gel. And there's the glitter. So, like, not bad. This was £35 for the entire box, and then £5 postage. But this is the last one, the last mystery box that Robin said she's going to do. for a while anyway. Robin's like the owner of Oh My Glitter, oh my god. But you can still buy all the products on her website. Just so you can see again. That's everything that you get. So the Nebula palette worth £40. Out of This World lip gloss infused with special pigments, £20. Galaxy matte liquid lipstick worth £15. Saturn lipstick, sorry, worth £15. Chunky loose glitter worth £7. Pressed glitter worth £7. Loose pigment worth £5. So that should have been £218 worth of products that in the mystery box we got for £40 including postage. I ordered this, I think it was in May. It was originally a June delivery, I think. But then it got delivered today. So that's like, it's in July, but Robin's kept us all updated on what's happening. So I'd definitely say go and check out Oh My Glitter, oh my god on Facebook and on Instagram, and then that will take you to her shop as well. This was my unboxing. Look out for some makeup looks coming with this, and I'll see you soon. Bye.